What's up, guys? Apologies today for the poor lighting. It's a very gloomy day here. Okay, so we're gonna unbox this. This is, well, you'll see. Okay, just need to cut this open. If I can get in there. Here we go. Anything else? No, that's all. So we're looking at this. This is the slime. This prevents and repairs flat tires. It's a tube sealant. So I bought this on Amazon for about 10 euros. It is a puncture repair sealant. It prevents and repairs punctured tires, suitable for all bicycles. It's non-toxic. It's eco-friendly. It is 473 milliliters, 16 ounces per this bottle anyway. So it comes with this tube. This is just an unboxing. That's all it is. Do I need to open that? Just want to check if this is absolutely brand new. Yeah, it's brand new. It's has this seal on here. So what you're supposed to do, just briefly, is this works on Schrader valves. You use this to unlock the Schrader pin. The pin comes out. You put this tube into your Schrader valve, and then you squeeze whatever is required. Is there an indicator? Yeah, this is how much you squeeze. So I guess this is good for four times. Yeah. 118 milliliters per each tire. Anything else important here? Hang on, I'm going to screw this back on, because if you lose this, you cannot use it. Yeah, you can use it on trolleys, wheelbarrows, bicycles, motorcycles. You cannot use this on cars. Cars use a different type of sealant. I think that's everything. All right, in the next video, I'll do a test on a bike tire. You'll see that in later videos. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Join us on Discord. Link is in the link is in the description. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.